Yo, this is Nathan Schmidt with Earl Owen Company. Today we're going to install this Undercover UltraFlex on this 2015 Chevy Silverado. The Undercover UltraFlex is perfect for those of you that carry expensive tools and cargo in the bed of your truck. So let's get started. Okay, now that we got all the parts out of the box, let's go over what all is included. So we've got the bed cover, of course. We got mounting rails, left and right. Those come pre-assembled. We have mounting clamps, mounting bolts, 2 drain tubes, some adhesive for the bulkhead, and then it comes with a nifty LED light. The bed cover comes with adhesive spacers, and since this is a Chevy Silverado, we need to use these towards the front, on the 2 clamps on the front of the vehicle. In order to know where these spacers need to go, if you put your rail on here, it comes with pre-marked areas for your clamp. So that's where you want to put your adhesive. All right, now that we know where our spacers go, we'll go ahead and drop the rail down and add our spacers. Remember when you're putting your spacers on that it needs to go in between the rail and the truck. Like so. We'll go ahead and do the same for this one. Remember to tuck it in between the cap and the bed. All right. So now we have both spacers attached. Now we can go ahead and mount the rails. We've got our driver's side rail here. Your prop rod needs to go towards the inside of the bed. Each rail comes with a drain tube. You want that towards the front of the bed. We've got some padding here on the rail. That's gonna go up on your bed cap. You want it to rest nice and neat on the top of the bed cap and push it all the way towards the bed of the truck. So this bed cover comes with 6 clamps to mount the rails, 3 for each side. You want to use the 2 smaller ones towards the front of the bed and the larger one in the back of the bed. It's got a spot here where it says clamp. So you want to take the bigger hook part of the clamp, hook it into this little plastic piece right here, and then you want to take your clamp and flip it up like so. Make sure that your teeth are lined up here where the grooves are at. And then go ahead and hand tighten. All right, so we've got the middle clamp hand tightened down. We'll go ahead and do the front clamp now. Repeat the process that we used on the middle clamp with the front clamp. Go ahead and hook your clamp in the designated clamp area. Flip your clamp up and make sure that it sits in the teeth so it has a good, nice, secure clamp. Go ahead and hand tighten like so. And now we'll move on to the rear clamp. The Undercover UltraFlex comes with an LED bed light and that mounts to the driver's side rail. And before we put on the last clamp, we want to go ahead and mount this light up there. All right, so the LED light has this little lock here. So we're gonna go ahead and loosen that up. Now this will slide along the track and we can tighten it up and it'll hold it in place. What you want to do is take off this plastic piece where the bracket mounts to on the back side, and then the end cap on the driver's side rail. Now our LED light will slide into this rail system right here. Slide the LED light past where your bracket's going to mount. Go ahead and tighten it into place. Now that we have the LED light installed, let's go ahead and mount up the last brackets. And before we do that, we want to replace this clamp cap, like so, and then the end cap. Right here. Now we're ready to put our last clamp on. So slide it in the stake pocket, like so. Make sure to hold on to it so you don't drop it. Screw it in. Hook the clamp. Hand tighten. The Undercover UltraFlex has a smaller panel. This panel will go to the front of the bed and rest on the bulkhead. Before we put this cover on, we want to make sure to slide these mounting bolts into this track right here. Push it into the track. And you'll put one on each side. Before we lay the bed cover down on the mounting rails, we're going to go ahead and apply this weather stripping that's provided. I've got the weather stripping applied, and it comes with a little extra stripping, so I'm going to go ahead and take a knife and cut that. Okay, now we got an exact fit. All right, now that we got the weather stripping on, let's go ahead and rest the bed cover on here, and we'll get it clamped down. The front flap goes towards the front of the vehicle. Nice and snug. There we go. All right, so now what we'll do is open the cover up, lock it into place. Now we want to make sure it's nice and center on the bed and the rails. We made sure the cover's center. We're going to open it back up, and then we're going to bolt down the mounting bolts. Now that the bed cover's centered on the bed, we'll go ahead and place these brackets, these mounting brackets into place and tighten them up. There's a washer and a lock washer. Make sure it's secure on there. Go ahead and tighten them into place, like so. Now that we've got the mounting bolts tightened down, we're going to close it one more time and make sure that everything's aligned, and then we'll go ahead and tighten up the clamps. All right, looks like we're all nice and centered. Now what we can do is go ahead and tighten down the clamps. We'll use our 1/2-inch socket. Let's do it. That one's nice and snug. Move our way down. We just have a few clips to install for when the bed cover's in the open position, and some batteries in the light. And these come included. So let's go ahead and do that, and we'll be covered. So now when you fold the bed cover in the open position, you can lock it in place and have access to the majority of your bed. We got the cover all bolted down. We want to apply the drain tubes to the back side. Take the tube, shove it up in there until you hear the click, and then you want to run it through this back hole right here, like so. Thanks for joining us today as we installed an Undercover UltraFlex on this 2015 Chevy Silverado short bed. Check us out next week because we're going to do a spotlight over this bed cover and it shows you all the features and benefits and how it can be used. Remember to tune in every Friday for new products, reviews, and installations like this.